Welcome students to my channel My Way Learning. Today we are going to learn about waste management. Now first of all, let us know what is waste and to what we are going to manage in this chapter. Waste is the garbage that come out from your house, factories, offices, your school, playground. Every day, thousands of ton garbage is produced by all of these things. What does this garbage consist? It is paper, broken glass, metal or plastic goods, vegetable and fruit peels, and leftover food. Animals' dung also involved in this. You saw cow, buffalo, horses, camels, and dogs. They also produce waste around us. In the recent year, what we notice that the amount of garbage is increasing day by day. Can you tell me why? The main reason for it is increase in population. As the population increase, number of industries increase, and we use more and more polythenes for packing purpose. As you are aware that these days we do online shopping and all of the products that we ordered come in a very good packing, and most of these packing contain plastic, thermocol and cardboard, which we throw in the dustbin and become a part of the garbage. The garbage has become a hazard for human beings, animals, and the environment. Can you tell me why? Because it pollutes the air, water bodies, and land. And it also become a breeding ground for germs, mosquitoes, flies, and rat that causes diseases like typhoid, cholera, plague, dysentery, etc. It also causes foul smell. So it is important not to throw waste material in open area like outside our house or on the street, roads, parks, etc. Now let us learn how many types of waste materials are there. There are two main types of waste material: biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste, which can be converted into harmless substances by just dumping them into a pit. When we dump these waste into a pit, it will convert into compost, which can be used as manure, and it will decrease the amount of garbage. Now, what are biodegradable waste? They are dry leaves, vegetable and fruit peels, shells, paper, and leftover food item. One can say the things that we get from the trees or the plants. Just look: leaves, vegetable, fruit, paper, leftover food. That all the things we get from plants. So these are come in the category of biodegradable waste, which are useful, which can be converted into useful products. Animal and plant waste can be converted into biogas, which can be used as domestic fuel. In our villages, these waste is converted into biogas and they use that as fuel. Generally, human and animal waste is covered with soil in rural area, but that causes health hazard. In cities, we have toilets and that waste goes to the treatment plant through pipes, where the solid waste is separated and water is used for irrigation purpose. Now let us learn what are non-biodegradable waste. These waste cannot be converted into harmless substances, but they can be recyclable. Like your plastic bottle or tins can be recycled and given another shape. Now, what are the items which are involved in non-biodegradable waste? They are polythene bags, aluminium foil, pins, glass, rubber, plastic pieces, chemical, construction waste from the building, nails, etc. Now, what do you understand by recycling? Recycling means separating usable material from the waste and then convert into new products. Let us learn how the recycling be done. Paper can be recycled to make newsprint, toilet paper, etc. Iron, copper, aluminium, plastic and glass that can also be recycled and made into useful items. So what is the use of recycling? It protects the environment in the following ways. It reduces the amount of waste. It conserves our natural resources like timber, water, iron, etc. from more to be extracted. It reduces pollution also and it saves energy. So recycling is the best method to reduce waste or to reduce garbage and make it useful thing. Now let us learn some way to reduce waste. Whenever you go out for shopping, you can carry a cloth bag or jute bag along with you. In this way, your dependence on plastic bags will be reduced. Second way, in which you can convert your vegetable peel and fruit peel into compost, which you can use for your plants. Use energy efficient light bulbs like CFL. You can use CFL instead of another bulbs. In this way, we can reduce waste. Or, for example, if you buy a PET bottle of Pepsi or Limca, that bottle can be used as the water bottle for the long run. The same way, if one of your bowl which is no longer used in your kitchen can be converted into beautiful pots for the gardening. Reducing, reusing, recycling and rethinking. In this way, you can reduce waste. Like when you have to make a project. These days we have online classes, so you can use both sides of the paper to make the project. In this way, we can reduce the dependency of the paper and reduce the garbage also. These days, a big challenge is faced by all the cities, towns, villages and countries. That is how to throw or how to dispose all of these waste. Number of people are working together to separate waste, reusable waste and collect them and dispose the unusable, non-usable things into another place. Our government pay a huge amount of money on these waste disposal. In earlier times, as the population was low, so the waste was also limited. So the simply that was thrown into the vacant place away from the home and offices. But nowadays, as the population is increased and more houses, factories and industries are set up, so no more vacant places left. But the amount of waste is increasing as the population is increasing. So it proved to be a threat for the human beings, animals, plant, water bodies and air. Now let us learn how our government come out from these problems. There are different ways of disposing of waste. They are landfills, burning of trash, recycling and compost. In landfill, a pit is dug in which all of the garbage is dumping. In this way, a lot of garbage is consumed. In Japan, they burn the trash, whatever the garbage they burn, but that causes lot of pollution. In India, we use recycling, we make compost and we also use landfill method. As the landfill method required place, because we have to dig a pit in which we have to put all the garbage, so every time when that side get filled, we need another one. So that is the disadvantage of this. All the method of waste disposal are costly and our government have to spend huge amount of money on that. Hence, we must reduce waste and recycle item from the waste. If each and every person take care not to split, urinate or litter in open areas, then in this way we can reduce garbage. People should be encouraged to construct toilet in rural areas especially. In urban area, more and more toilets should be constructed on the roadside. And government should take strict actions or law to maintain cleanliness in public place. I hope I make myself clear. Now you are able to understand what is waste and what is waste material, how many types of waste are there and how they can convert it into useful products. For more updates, keep watching my channel, My Way Learning. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment in the comment box. Thanks.